if x is equals to square root of 3, then x cubed is. So what is x cubed? Then we have to write x raised to 3 first. So it is said that x is equals to square root of 3. So therefore, we have to substitute that the value of x is square root of 3 raised to 3. So now we have to rewrite this square root of 3. So we know that 3 raised to 1/2 is also the same as square root of 3. So raised to 3. Now we have to deal with the exponent. 1 times 3 is 3. Then 2 times 1, we have here understood 1. 2 times 1, that is 2. So we have now 3 raised to 3/2. So that would be, so if we're going to try to rewrite this, so we have to write this 3 right here. Then this square root, this 2 right here is the exponent. Is the square root. Okay, this 2 right here is the square root. Then the inside parenthesis, which is 3. So this